27 years ago, two graduates Marc Andreessen and Bina had created the first Mosaic web browser. Like all technological advancements, the web was a mystery. The internet was accessed only by elites and scholarly. Vilowww or Erwise browser, the conflict remains unresolved, in 1993 created the first graphical web browser. Cello is the first Windows graphical web browser. A year later, they introduced Mosaic's beta version for UNIX OS running Windows. The web, which was accessible only for a few elites, was beginning to become a standard requirement for businesses. Ever since, the designers from across the world have created unique and exciting interfaces, contributing to the revolution in how the public accessed information using the internet. Technological advancements like the emergence of the broadband connection, improved IT infrastructure, etc. have also contributed to multimedia content development, improvement in HTML5 standards, etc. The traditional strategies are growing insignificant with each passing day, and the businesses are developing a personalized approach to communicate with their clients. Earlier, creating a website was a costly affair. A designer and coder would flesh out a customized website that a customer requires. Usually, the user interface design process includes exhaustive brainstorming sessions between the clients, designers, developers, and copywriters are developing a creative interface. The rough designs created are developed into HTML, which is a tedious process, and some websites may take a lot of effort. When AI technology is deployed for website building, the traditional method of developing the website is significantly automated. Key takeaways: the coding process with machine learning algorithms, improved web designs, easy access to web analytics, AI-powered chatbot for requirement gathering. Artificial design intelligence has several exciting features that have simplified the web designing and development process. Mentioned here are some of the changes that have marked an impact on the design industry. Introduction of the coding process with machine learning algorithms. Artificial intelligence simplifies numerous tasks involved in the web design and development process. However, coding is complicated and requires an expert coder to overlook the coding, deploying the code, eliminating bugs, and improving the website's functionality. The self-learning algorithms identify the coding snippets. These predictions help the developers compile fully functional code instead of coding from scratch. The projections also help the coders develop applications with smart features like chatbots, which are easy to modify. However, the application should have access to good quality data sets to get the maximum benefit from the self-learning algorithms. Improved web designs. Designing a layout for your website is very easy with the AI Website Builder. These applications are a huge advantage for both coders and designers. AI-enhanced virtual assistants are of massive help in simplifying the design and development process. It verifies and combines the brand's layout, design, and content and offers a customized solution. The application allows the user to edit the images, deploy image recognition, etc. For the developer, what is left is to supply the data to help the machine train to think and act like a designer. Web analytics and SEO. The AI offers a comprehensive analysis of the traffic and mines the visitor data. The AI-powered predictive engines spot the irregularities in the website's architecture and identify the web content that is not good for search engine optimization. It helps you create an intuitive design and develop the content that communicates your business to the website visitors. Improving user experience. The chatbots assisting the visitors on the website is now becoming a common practice. An AI-powered chatbot is similar to the regular chatbots where the regular rules are pre-defined. However, a smart chatbot starts learning from every conversation. It records the new questions, and the unique responses are adopted. The bots predict the latest questions and formulate the answers as well. This feature reduces human intervention while improving business communication with multiple visitors on the website. The website builders use artificial intelligence in the features mentioned to deliver interfaces that are simple, easy to deploy, highly functional, and easy to modify. Further developments are required to transform the traditional website development process completely. Web developers, designers, and copywriters are still required to offer their creative solutions. We humans always reserve the trait of judging and decision-making. As long as we are accustomed to judging, the machines and the humans should work in accordance to serve the requirements.